Hey guys, it's me, Josh, the game guy. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Um, I usually don't do these, but it's my first time and I want to try, and I thought it'd be cool. So, anyways, get started. Sonic Boom Fire and Ice. Looks kind of cool. If I can figure out how to open this. Here we go. Alright. Oh. Looks cool. What's in here? Oh my god. That's cool. Oh, wait a minute. This is a DVD. I think. Yeah, DVD includes TV episodes. Let's find out if it's in there. Oh, nice. That's really cool. Hang on. Yeah, that's really cool. Let's find out the CD's in there. I know it's in. I don't want to wreck this. It looks pretty good for the most part. Yep. I don't want to damage this. If I can just put it in there. Yep. Got it. That's cool. And then we got the game. Background looks kind of cool. I don't play much Sonic games, but this one looks kind of cool. Alright, I think that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. Anyways, peace out. Game on. See you guys later.